Winning business. In our competitive landscape, second place simply will not do. We have to make the most efficient use of our valuable resources to be victorious. You need an effective and disciplined approach to winning new business, and I provide that to you with the Good to Win program. The Good to Win program is a systematic approach to pursuing projects and clients that involves harvesting everything you need in order to communicate what you know about your client and their challenge, and what you will do that will be different from your competitors. The Good to Win program is modular, and it synthesizes your marketing efforts and packages your unique message for victory. Using a facilitated approach, you will be able to understand the selection process and culture, identify and rank the major drivers and issues for your client, fine-tune your pursuit strategy and differentiate your company from the competition, effectively communicate your message in your proposal, and deliver a compelling and victorious presentation. Our facilitated process keeps the entire team on track and allows all major team players to be part of the creative and engaged pursuit team. Our program allows people to remain focused on all of their other company responsibilities during the pursuit.